thanks for jumping in with me, Carissa of Dolphin Soul Creations. Together, we will go exploring through different art mediums and creative adventures, all while highlighting wildlife. Along the way, my venturesome husband and our upper management, Zygmunt, might be joining along. So photography has always been my passion. I love being able to capture the beautiful souls of all through photography, taking the time to really learn and connect with all that I can. Yes, I took all those photos. And I decided to turn my photography and wildlife passion into different creative pieces. Through the sales of those and memberships, I actually donate a percentage back to rescue organizations in the form of food and enrichment items. Well, upper management says it's time to dive into creating. You'll learn how to turn photographs into stencils that can be used to create unique fake pumpkins. I'll show you the steps from etching to carving and cleaning them up. We'll go through photographing your latest creation to use as a reference for artwork, and I'll make sure to go through all the steps and supplies to create artwork that you will be proud to display. I hope you'll stay swimming along with me for wildlife fun facts, art lessons that include pan pastels, colored pencils, ink tints, watercolors, and acrylics, photography tips and tricks, along with creating unique craft projects. We really appreciate it if you hit the like, comment, share, and subscribe buttons. And be sure to join me over on Patreon and Discord. There are free and paid options. You can find the links in the description below. Thanks again for joining Dolphin Soul Creations, and stay tuned for our next creative dives.